With Bitquery, there are two ways to get the recently trending Pump.fun tokens, the API and the MCP. They query the same on-chain database, but they're built for very different people and very different use cases. Let me show you both. To get trending Pump.fun tokens with Bitquery API, you need to write a GraphQL query, define exactly which fields you want, apply filters, and aggregate the data to produce insights. The response comes back as structured JSON. This is what you want if you're a developer and looking to integrate Bitquery into your application or data pipeline. The API is precise, repeatable, and scalable. You write it once, and it runs forever. However, for using Bitquery API, you would first need to deal with a steep learning curve of GraphQL, understand the schema, and then implement the best code practices. That's where the Bitquery MCP steps in. Bitquery MCP connects Claude, or any other MCP client, directly to the same database. But instead of writing a query, you just describe what you want. For example, show me the top 20 trending tokens on Pump.fun for the past hour, sorted by volume. Claude figures out the table, the filters, the aggregation, and returns the result. This is what you want if you're an analyst, a researcher, a content creator, or a trader who doesn't write code. If you're exploring and don't want to write a query for every new question, then this is the right fit for you. The MCP is fast for exploration. You can ask follow-up questions, change the time window, add a new filter, all in plain English with no GraphQL or schema knowledge required. The trade-off is that it's not designed for automation. You're not going to run a Claude conversation every 60 seconds in production. And for complex multi-step queries with very specific logic, you still need the API. Sending tokens query, API docs and MCP setup guide are all linked below. And if you want to see a specific use case in the same video format, drop the idea in the comments and I'll cover it next. Join our Telegram community from the video description. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more.